you are at the 20-mile marker of a marathon or the final 5 minutes of a brutal match. Your heart is hammering and the tank is bone dry. The immediate instinct is to reach for a neon-colored sports drink, a heavy protein shake, or a handful of vitamin capsules. To perform at the top of your bracket, you need a physiological edge. Sugary liquids and powders offer a superficial spike that leaves the underlying cellular depletion unaddressed. Relying on oral supplements creates a false sense of security. You are consuming fuel, yet your muscles remain starved of the raw materials required for actual repair. The core problem is the biological bottleneck standing between those nutrients and your bloodstream, your digestive tract. When you swallow a multivitamin, it has to run a destructive gauntlet. The capsule sits in pools of stomach acid, and its contents are steadily stripped away by harsh digestive enzymes and thick intestinal barriers. This chart shows the quantitative failure of that process, with a 100% input bar shrinking to a mere 20% output. Most healthy adults only absorb 20 to 30% of the nutrients they ingest orally. The rest is simply filtered out and wasted. This extreme inefficiency creates what sports physiologists call a recovery debt. Athletes end up focusing 90% of their effort on breaking the body down in the gym, and only 10% on actually rebuilding it. Over time, that debt accumulates. As long as you rely on your gut for nutrient delivery, that deficit will inevitably manifest as heavy warm-ups, training plateaus, and nagging joint pain. Athletic Performance IV drip therapy bypasses the digestive system entirely, eliminating the biological middleman to achieve 100% nutrient bioavailability. Intravenous delivery provides a massive mechanical advantage. Instead of a slow, obstructed digestive pipe, the nutrients travel on a rapid, unobstructed highway straight into the bloodstream. There is no waiting for digestion and absolutely no loss of potency. The clinical formula starts by targeting energy production at the source. B-complex vitamins are rapidly absorbed to convert dietary nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the primary energy currency of your cells, and replacing it directly provides a surge of natural energy without a jittery stimulant crash. This surge in energy is coupled with raw building materials. High doses of amino acids like glutamine immediately start repairing the microtears in muscle fibers caused by heavy training, while arginine promotes vasodilation, widening your blood vessels to improve oxygen delivery to tired tissues. Finally, high-grade magnesium enters the system to halt muscle cramps and manage the severe cortisol spikes that come from overtraining, forcing your nervous system into a productive rest and digest phase. By saturating your cells with this precise biochemical cocktail at total absorption, your body shifts from a state of survival into a state of rapid, unhindered repair. Post-event recovery requires an aggressive two-stage approach, flooding the system with nutrients while rapidly purging accumulated toxins. Intense physical exertion floods your system with metabolic waste products, specifically lactic acid and uric acid. These chemical byproducts are the direct cause of that heavy, stiff feeling the morning after a race. The IV drip accelerates the removal of this waste. A rushing wave of powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and glutathione floods the bloodstream, enveloping and neutralizing the oxidative stress that damages muscle tissue. Neutralizing this oxidative stress yields measurable gains in performance frequency. It objectively cuts your downtime in half, allowing for a higher volume of intense training sessions month over month. Athletics is also a highly cognitive game. Dehydration and nutrient gaps compromise your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for complex decision-making. Specific IV performance blends utilize amino acids like taurine to maintain neurological health. Taurine regulates water and mineral balances in the blood, which keeps reaction times and decision-making sharp under extreme pressure. There is also a distinct psychological advantage. By investing in clinical-grade recovery, athletes gain an intense mental confidence, knowing their body is fully supported on a molecular level. Peak performance requires winning on two fronts. A fully chemically supported brain dictates the nutritional choices, discipline, and execution of the physical body. Eventually, the wear and tear demands a toll. Unmanaged oxidative stress and systemic inflammation routinely force highly capable athletes into early retirement by age 35. This chart illustrates the root molecular cause of that fatigue. The vertical axis tracks levels of NAD+, a vital coenzyme required for cellular energy and DNA repair. As the timeline hits middle age, you can see a steep drop-off in the body's natural supply. Advanced clinical treatments, specifically Niagen IV therapy, act as a biological insurance policy against this decline. By directly replenishing NAD+, the body gains the resources to mop up free radicals before they can permanently damage connective tissues. Elite competitors prioritize these clinical protocols proactively, safely operating within the volume and administration guidelines of organizations like the World Anti-Doping Agency, or WADA. True athletic longevity requires abandoning slow, reactive habits. By bypassing the biological bottleneck, athletes can command their recovery, outlast their competitors, and remain unbreakable for decades.